Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul is scrolling through charts and keeps seeing these strange drawings. Butterfly shapes, zapped labels, lines connecting highs and lows with Fibonacci ratios attached. It looks like astrology. It looks like someone is drawing shapes on random charts and pretending there is meaning. That is what Rahul thought too, until Arjun explained the math behind it. Harmonic patterns are not magic. They're geometry plus Fibonacci ratios, and they predict reversal zones with surprising accuracy. Rahul learns harmonic patterns basics. Reliance. What are harmonic patterns? They are geometric price patterns that use specific Fibonacci ratios to predict reversal zones. The key word is specific, not just any Fibonacci level. Each harmonic pattern has exact ratio requirements. If the ratios match, the pattern is valid. If they do not, the pattern is invalid. There's no guessing. No, maybe it works. Either the ratios align or they do not. This precision is what makes harmonic patterns different from regular chart patterns. They are math, not art. Every harmonic pattern has 5 points. X, A, B, C, D. X is the starting point of the pattern. A is the first significant move from X. B is the retracement of the X to a leg. This is where it gets specific. B must retrace to an exact Fibonacci level of X, say. C is the retracement of the A to B leg. And D is the completion zone. This is your entry point. D must land at an exact Fibonacci level of the XA leg. When price reaches D, the pattern is complete and a reversal is expected. You do not guess. You measure. The Gartley pattern, discovered by H.M. Gartley in 1935. It is the most common and most reliable harmonic pattern. The rules are precise. B must retrace to 61.8% of the XA leg. Not 50%, not 70%, 61.8. D must complete at 78.6% of XA. That is your entry zone. The Gartley is a trend continuation pattern. In a bullish Gartley, you are buying at the D point, expecting price to reverse and move back toward the A level. The beauty is that the stop loss is tight, below X, and the target is clear, back to A. The BAT pattern, discovered by Scott Carney, is similar to the Gartley, but with different ratios. B retraces to 38.2 to 50% of XA. That is shallower than the Gartley. And D completes at 88.6% of XA. That is deeper than the Gartley. Deeper D means the stop loss is tighter since X is closer. But it also means you need a stronger reversal since price has retraced further. The BAT gives a higher reward to risk ratio than the Gartley. But it is also riskier because the deeper retracement means momentum is stronger against you. Start with Gartley. Learn BAT second. Now let us look at a real example. Reliance. The chart shows a clear bullish Gartley forming. X is the starting low. A is the first rally up. B retraces to the 61.8 level of XA. C pushes back up but does not reach A. And now price is dropping toward D. The 78.6% retracement of XA puts the decompletion zone at 2480 to 2490. This is Rahul's entry zone. He does not chase. He does not guess. He waits for price to reach the exact Fibonacci level that completes the Gartley pattern. The trade setup. Entry at the D zone, 2485. Stop loss below the X point at 2440. If price breaks below X, the pattern is invalid and Rahul exits. Target at the A level, 2580. When a harmonic pattern completes, the first target is always back at the A level. Risk is 45 rupees per share. Reward is 95 rupees per share. Risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2.1. Rahul buys 15 shares. Total risk 675 rupees. Well within his 1% maximum. Reliance hits the D zone at 2483. The bullish Gartley is complete. Rahul enters at 2485 as planned. The reversal begins. 2500, 2520, 2550. Price moves exactly as the pattern predicted. He exits at 2570, just below his target of 2580. Playing it safe. Profit 85 rupees per share times 15 shares. 1,275 rupees. The Fibonacci ratios predicted the reversal zone. The pattern gave the entry. The math gave the stop and target. Clean. Rahul's harmonic approach. Start with Gartley only. Master one pattern before learning others. There are many harmonic patterns. Butterfly, crab, shark, cipher, 5-0. They all look confusing at first. But the Gartley alone can be a complete trading strategy. Use scanning tools to find potential patterns. TradingView has harmonic pattern indicators that automatically detect XABCD structures. Do not draw them by hand. Use tools. Verify the Fibonacci ratios are exact. If they are not exact, skip the trade. There will always be another pattern. Precision over frequency. Rahul's harmonic pattern rules. 1. Learn Gartley first. Master it before adding more patterns. 2. Verify exact Fibonacci ratios. If B is not at 61.8 of XA, it is not a Gartley. 3. Enter only at the decompletion zone, never before. 4. Stop loss always below X for bullish patterns, above X for bearish. 5. First target is always the A level. 6. Use scanning tools. Do not try to find these by eye. 7. If the pattern is not clear, it is not a pattern. Skip it. Harmonic patterns look complex, but they're just geometry and Fibonacci ratios. XABCD. Measure the ratios. If they match, you have a trade. If they do not, you move on. No guessing. No hoping. Just math. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.